Today I'm going to show you how to do a full face using Cheekbone Beauty's Infinite palette. So starting off with contour, I'm using shade number 5. So I'm just carving out my cheekbones, under my jaw, and on the sides of my forehead. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Next I'm taking shade number 2 and just applying that on the high points of my cheeks. Then I'm going to mix shades 10 and 11 and just pop that where I want my blush to sit. And a little goes a long way. Then taking shade number 3, I'm just popping a bit onto my nose, just for a little flush of color. And then with a small blending brush, I'm using shade number 9, and just applying that all over the base of my lid. And then to deepen it up, I'm using shade number 8, and just applying that all over my lid as well. Now to add some definition to the eye, I'm using shade number 6, and just buffing that into my crease. And finally using shade number 9 and just putting that on my inner corners.